Warning, this content is not suitable for viewing by anyone. It should not be watched by any human, alive or dead. You have been warned. Hello and welcome to Murder Town! Today we're going to learn about how to murder lots of processes and things. Anyways, I have started by preparing a few programs, which we can see right here. So if you'll look over here, I've created a process that simply it's an infinite loop that will print to infinity and beyond, sleep for 2 seconds, and you'll notice this, right? Normally, right, if you send a command like an interrupt, Control-C, or a kill command, it will kill the program. But what trap does is it intercepts this signal, specifically sigterm, because I told it to, and it will do this, whatever you tell it to do in here. In this case, I have it print that. And we can see this behavior by running the program, and you'll notice it will just print this every 2 seconds. So then we come over to a second terminal window, because we can't do anything over there. And I've written another program right here, nano67, and you'll see this uses pkill, which just kills the program with a PID that you've entered right here, or the name of the program. And kill command actually sends a signal termination, or termination signal. And what that means is that's a sigterm, right? So we watch that here, 67, and the program doesn't shut down. But to shut it down, right, we can still send the sigint command with Control-C. And if you want a list of all the awesome signals, kill with the L flag, you see all the different signals right there, and they're like flavors of murder ice cream. Thank you for watching, and you'll never get this 2 minutes back.